Today's wine text is the 2012 Alta Vista Premium Series Cabernet from Argentina. So this is actually a pretty cool wine that I'm really excited to try, specifically because Alta Vista is actually a pretty well-known winery for making very high-quality wines at an extremely reasonable price. This is from their best vineyards in the highest altitudes within Mendoza, and you get a little bit more of this old world style and a little bit more balance in the wine. Yes, there's a lot of red fruit. It's still from Argentina. Yes, it gets hot there, but I think the cooler nights kind of restrains the really jamminess that you get from Malbecs and other Argentinian Cabernet Sauvignons, and gives a little bit more finesse and a little bit more elegance. I expect the acidity to be decently high as well, just because the higher altitudes allows that lift and a little bit more for longevity. The cool part about this wine is it's 2012. 2012 was a good year in Argentina, but thinking about the wines in this price point in Argentina, I find that a lot of them kind of fade off very quickly. But this wine, I literally just smelt it maybe like less than a couple minutes ago. It's extremely ready to drink. I mean, this is in its prime, lots of vibrant fruits, things of that nature. So let me get into it with you. So on the nose, I definitely get that kind of dark cherry, dark blackberry thing that I get a lot of California Cabernets. But being a little bit older and a little bit kind of aged in, there's definitely this kind of nutty character and a little bit of this more vanilla kind of rich kick to it. There's definitely an oak influence where it's a little of that baking spice and a little bit more of that kind of creaminess comes in. And there's a decent amount of heat on the wine, which means it's definitely going to be pretty full body. There's a decent amount of alcohol in there as well. When tasting the wine, I get way more of the natural kind of herbaceous kind of green thing going on. Something in Cabernet, you get a little of this bell pepper. Definitely because there's a little bit of age on it, it definitely comes through. But that really earthy, high altitude terroir, that slaty kind of rocky thing that goes on in this wine is really apparent on the palate. There's still kind of a rustic cherry, kind of cherry pie thing going on. But in total, the wine is definitely balanced in that terroir and that fruit aspect. Definitely still amount of body there. My mouth's still watering from the acidity. And the tannins are still pretty strong. So don't be afraid to drink this with heavier meats and things of that nature. Ready to drink now. I wouldn't save it for more than another year or two. A really approachable style Cabernet from Argentina that I think really, right out of the bottle, is really, really great. Enjoy.